Here's a question everyone in customer service is asking. Will AI replace call center agents? The headlines make it sound inevitable, but the reality is more nuanced. AI is transforming call centers, but not in the way most people think. The winners won't be the companies that replace humans. They'll be the ones that blend AI with human expertise. Hey, I'm Kalep from Synthflow. On this channel, we help you scale phone conversations with AI without losing the human touch. And today, I'm going to break down the future of call centers, what role voice AI agents really play, and why the smartest organizations aren't firing staff, they're redesigning how humans and AI work together. Let's be honest, when people hear AI in the call center, their first reaction is fear. Agents worry about losing their jobs. Leaders wonder if customers will get stuck talking to cold, robotic voices. Customers themselves imagine longer wait times and worse service. And to be honest, it makes sense. We've all been burned by frustrating bots and endless menus. But here's the truth. AI isn't here to wipe out human teams. It's here to make them more effective. AI voice agents really shine in a repetitive, high-volume task, the kind of calls humans hate handling in the first place. So think answering FAQs, booking appointments, collecting account details, routing callers to the right department. And this doesn't replace your team, it frees them up. Instead of spending 80% of their time on routine tier 1 calls, your agents can focus on complex, high-value conversations where empathy, judgment, and negotiation matter. Because here's the thing. There are moments AI simply can't replace. When a customer is upset about a billing error, when someone needs reassurance about a medical appointment, when nuance and care matter more than speed. That's where humans shine. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI handling the predictable and humans handling the personal. We've already seen the hybrid model play out with our clients. Healthcare providers use AI to confirm and reschedule appointments, cutting no-shows by 30%, while live staff handle sensitive patient questions. BPOs and contact centers run Synthflow agents for overflow and after-hours calls, while human teams step in for escalations. Tech companies automate demo booking and lead qualification, so sales reps spend their time actually closing deals. AI isn't replacing humans, it's giving them leverage. So why choose Synthflow for this balance? Because we built our platform with hybrid in mind. AI when automation works, tier 1 calls, FAQs, scheduling, humans when it matters most, instant live transfers, fallback flows, and full compliance guardrails. Fast deployment, go live in under 3 weeks, no code required. Enterprise security, SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, ISO certified. Scalability, over 1,000 concurrent calls with 99.9% uptime. It's not AI replacing agents, it's AI empowering them. Here's the bottom line. AI won't replace call centers, but call centers who use AI will replace those who don't. The future belongs to teams that embrace automation for efficiency and keep humans where empathy matters. That's how you reduce cost, improve service, and scale without breaking the experience. So if you're ready to see how voice AI fits into your call center, start a free trial at synthflow.ai or request a demo today. And before you go, as always, check the video right here so you can keep learning how voice AI is built for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another video like this one.